You tell to them.
There's a gold in here because there's gold.
This is expensive kaya this gold.
It's expensive because there's gold.
Oh. How much is that?
This and there.
How much? It's a 500. No? How much?
500.
Look to them, not me.
500.
Only, you should always...
Only 500.
Oh, very good, very good.
Sige na, oy.
You're very good na. You can work na. You want to
Ay!
work with me? Ay, slowly that one. If broke na, patay ka.
Yan.
Na.
Ako ang taas.
Broke na.
I am the tallest. I am the eldest.
As
Kaya
done.
dungol niyo sa dungol kayo.
Bye-bye mga madam. Good
I
morning.
get it now. Me?
Ay, naku, siya. Laka naman ka.
Na,
Tubig.
na, uy.
Me.
Ano siya? Laka naman, dali naman yung duwa.
Off na ni.
Ha?
Yes, yes, yes. I want me.
Okay.
I want me. Look.
Oh, you can use those work.
Bye.
Crazy.
You cannot go lagi kay Papa kay the Omo will eat you kay...
Yes.
You smell like food to them.
I
Sige, I will not talk to you. You don't love me now.
want to go.
You want to leave
Ana,
me?
live na lang ko.
Oh, you want to leave me here alone?
No?
Oh. To hold properly the bags ha, kay expensive diya.
Okay. Done. It's super big.
You have to eat lagi vegetables. Vegetables are... Uy.
Ma.
Yes. I'm just watching you. Hold properly, ma-broken
3
ka
minutes
na.
na.
Very good, you can work na. You can have your salary, 2 pesos.
2 pesos.
No, 2,500.
2,100. Ma, put it there, Ma.
No, put it back there. Kung ma-broken na, nobody will buy that one.
I got it. Ma, look to the inside.
No, you can show them inside.
Oh my God. Ma, hard ayaw di na get.
Use your brain.
Chili mo.
Ah!
Chili mo.
Ilagyo, panana po kay kailangan, ha?
Ah, wala, uy.
Look, there's so many.
Kailangan, ang sarap pa naman kailangan.
Ikaw.
Ah, yeah. Why there's another one?
You just put it there. Ha?
Oh, wait, so. Down.
Isa lang yung kung nasa kailangan.
Isa man
Ha? Isa yung kung saan mo naman kailangan sa ikaw.
Look na inside. It's empty.
Bago kasi, bago.
You cannot see it.
Oo.
You're so small.
And there's you can fit the wallet here.
Ay, may live seller na ako. may ano na ako, staff na ako, may new staff.
And you can put the money here.
Oh. I have my new staff, oh. You're working with me?
Yes.
Oh.
And you can close this one.
No, well, this is it. Go on with it.
How much po, coach?
Kagaling naman na.
Lemon niya?
They asked you how much that one daw. The 2,500
2,100.
only.
Only 2,100.
Oh. You can ask.
You can ask this you for sale.
Oh. Wow, may seller na ako. May new stuff, oh. Oo, slowly. Ay.
Cool down ka there, ha? Enough na nabi.
Sige, isa pa kayo. Nalingaw pa mo. Buwan kikag siya ang mga kalingawan.
Ay,
Slowly, slowly.
I'm pa. I'm that one.
Wala ka, wala mo pa. Na, this is empty.
Empty.
Na, this bag is empty.
This bag is empty.
MK.
MK.
Oh, MK.
MK.
Tayo.
You can put the money here.
Oh.
And you can put in the wallet here.
Oh.
In the cards.
Oh, cards. Kamala siya sa cards. Okay. Kamala
Ang
sa
gas dito
cards.
sa mukha ko. Ay.
Kamala siya sa card ba? Ma'am Jing, 2 kilo. Good ask niyo siya, Ma'am Jing. Ah, di ba? Nagpapakit ko. Ah, may new stuff yan, ah. Ah, Jing. Buang mo siya ito. 1.8.
Only?
Ano?
No, dako.
Adili, uy.
Dagdagan mo dam.
Bago kayo yan, Dam.
Ma'am Jing, good ask niyo siya.
Tuto lang siguro, Dam.
Ayaw ba kay bago man na siya. O, 1.9, Ma'am Jing, be.
1.9 na ni.
Oh, para na-seal ni Sly. Sumang ka. Para na-seal sila. Agay, Diyos ka. Wali akong anak. Ay. No, not that one. The small one, the light.
Where?
The
That one, no, color red.
one. The first, you flex ba? No, the other one.
That one, oh.
Kaya mag-English
Middle.
tayo.
Other one.
Kuya,
That one.
that one.
Wait, guys.
1.8, Ma'am Jing.
1.8 ni.
Oo, slowly.
Na.
1.8 na ni.
No, that's not 1.8. That's 2,000.
2,500.
2,000. 2,100. 2,100. You can put the wallet. You can put the wallet here. Oh, two wallets na. You can put the
1,900 na lang, Ma'am Jing, be.
you can put the wallet right here.
Oh, see?
What else?
And you can put the money here.
Ay, oh,
Money and-
ang color eh.
And wallet.
And the one you use, what man?
And
Ball pen. Like that.
and ball pen.
Sa dira, siya pa iharang words.
And
Kung 5 yan da, bigay ko sa 1.9 kaya na
Don't
look
mine
the
daw.
inside.
okay, 1.9 na, bigay ko na ano ko na para na-enjoy kasi yung anak ko eh.
1.9 daw, Ma'am Jing. 1.9.
Oh, good ask niyo yan, Ma'am Jing.
Look daw sila, B.
Uy, look doon. She gonna buy that. Oh, you should be happy.
No, bring a candy.
Oh. She gonna buy that, oh? You say thank you.
Thank you.
Oh. Nakasya na no. Ay, Diyos ko, ninesh life. 1.8 si MK daw.
1.8 na.
No, 1.9.
That's the color blue.
The
1.9.
color blue. She asked
Put
the
it there
color
na
blue.
kay... Ibay na niya. Put it there,
Ipakita na
oh.
ka, Ma'am Jing, pa. I-close up pa. I-close up pa.
Yan.
Ma'am, mag-send ako ng picture niyan, Dam. Good as brand new.
Bago
talaga.
kay, bago to, Ma'am Jing. Wait sa.
No, siya rin daw.
Bago kay yan, Ma'am Jing.
Gusto niya siya mag-live daw. Okay, ah. Ama ng mangot. Okay, just...
And you can put the wallet here.
Oh, da.
And the money here.
Wait sa ha. Love niya, Ma'am Jing, o malinis. Oh, okay?
Ang i-just pa.
You can put the wallet.
Mamaya na
You can put the money.
Oh, suko na na siya.
You can put the money here.
Huh?
Masuko.
And you can put the wallet more.
Oh, my hands is bigger than your head, oh. Hmm? Na.
Ay, iboli pa. You know, this is only 1.8.
1.8.
Do you see it?
Only it's 1.8.
Oh, very good.
What else? It's super gold. You say
So you
gold.
tell them, is it pretty or pangit?
Is it it's pretty or cute? Ito, oh, color blue.
Siya na, pasag di lang muna siya.
Pretty ni.
Ah, pretty. Pasag di lang muna
This
siya.
is pretty too.
Oh. Okay. Ay, nako. Yan ang lingaw pa.
And pretty ni also.
She buy already.
Ma'am
the
Jing,
one.
yung corners ito, Ma'am Jing,
Ay,
malinis, oh.
super tall.
Oh. Malinis ang corners, Ma'am Jing, ha? Ayan.
Hands up. Good. Ask niyo yan, Ma'am.
Ayan, close up natin, Dam. Malinis yan, Dam.
Oh, that one.
Coach pa yan dyan, oh.
Big irony.
Walang run si Mulmul, Dam. Okay, 1-9, Ma'am Jing, ha? Confirm.
Ba?
No. Good. Ask niyo. Good.
Mean kayo ka, ha? So mean, ha?
Siya na lagi daw mag-flex.
Ah, go home na.
Stay away na diya pa. Kuan
Walk namin, kuya, ay.
Jealous kikal ko.
You can put the money here.
Sagdi na siya.
What else? Cellphone ka na?
You
Huh?
can. You can put.
No. Agay, Diyos ko, Lord. Ano ba yan?
You can put the wallet here.
Notebooks. Because
Oh, katanong nyo. Wallet. What else?
You can put the wallet. You can put the money here. Mini ay money here mo.
Packets. Mini packets.
There's so many.
Magani, there's so many packets.
Tanaw, makay.
Lagi. Nag-enjoy man na siya.
Nice.
Pagkanta na siya. Uy.
Okay. There's so many pockets. There's one.
How many packets there?
I-count the packet.
How many packet?
Two,
Show to them. Show to
one.
them. You count. How many packets then you show to them?
One,
Ah.
two,
Ah.
three.
3 packets there.
Oh, you tell them. 3
Three,
packets.
three pockets.
It has.
Guys,
It has
have
3 packets.
3 pockets.
Sagdi na siya pa.
Okay.
Tok-tok na.
Alin show?
Na. Suyari ka niya. Agay mo.
Kami doon.
Tuwa na.
Kami doon.
Sigaon, magkika, oy. Yung yara na.
Eat.
Hoy, you have to put it back. The one.
Oh, that.
That one, oh. You put inside. Slowly, ha.
Big irony package.
Oh, I want only bread. I want bread.
Kaya may sugar.
More breads?
Yes, I want bread.
Sugar.
Ikaw.
Activity ka ba? Sugar.
Dito mo, Agi.
Hindi ba? Hindi naman mag-boost.
Ay, sus, talawan kayo mong luwa. Oh, madisgasya mo di ha. O talawan, kitay ka umo. Ano niya, ma'am? Dito ka sa taas. Ano ka na diya? Oh, masafe diya. Kaysa dito sa silong. Oh, padula ka na na daw. Dagan biya mga starter diya. Ako alam ko. Ako ikat na yung video. Ako i-post. You just like being like that. Are you happy? You sold, na. Sa katao, English ang nakahalin ka pa.
We sold the
Oh, you sold one na.
stupid kid.
Ha?
Stupid kid.
Pilingan